How you doing?
Hi.
I think the Partridge Family wants its minivan back.
I get.
Do you get that?
Yeah.
Okay. I think it's cool personally. What makes you put it to do this design on your car?
Oh, this isn't my car. That's his car.
Whose car?
That man is.
That man that's running away?
Yeah. He'll be back.
Okay, don't worry. Wait, why did he run away? I guess he
He said
didn't.
he'll be back. He must have an appointment.
Yeah.
Let me put his
Well,
name
that's.
on
Oh, Rubik's Cube. Okay, I get it now.
there. Rubik's Cube?
Yeah, that's what it says on his license. But to me, I thought of it as the Partridge Family thing. I'll have to get it around and then.
Thank you.
All right.
Por favor.
Okay, so what organization today is doing the car wash?
8th grade, middle school, DC, New York trip.
Nice. Okay. Take care.